God damn it, Ikea! You can do it! Microphones, water tubing. We're gonna have some fun with it. Is this the way it looks? No.
Yeah.
Test our assembly skills. Super nice. So we're building a new streaming studio today, and first off, we're trying to get these new shelves assembled so we have somewhere to store all the amazing hardware. And Andreas is helping me, our new customer experience manager.
Right
and as everyone knows, Ikea is super simple, right? We're trying to get started here. How do I even?
It's 20 pages.
Trust me, I'm an engineer. Ja, for det er nemt det her.
It's just not fitting, dude. I can't keep up, dude!
Come on, don't be that shelf.
Like a mouse. It's straight.
Nope, one too high.
You did it wrong.
No.
It's not right.
Aren't you adorable?
Ew.
So we've stacked all of our gear together here. Everything from our very first high-end desktop workstation coolers, our old water chill external, some of our first Alienware projects, new projects over here, a super cool Xeon, all our streaming setups, desks for tinkering, and got mouse pads, various coolers, motherboards, cameras, cases, high-end CPUs, high-end whatever, water tubing. We're gonna have some fun with it. So let's get started. Absolutely cringe-worthy how we treat hardware here. Watch out, there's a monitor in that side.
This one?
It's called a snow blind mod. So what it does is that it'll allow you to look through the side panel on your window or on your case. But at the same time, you can have like images floating in there.
Okay.
Okay, interesting. Yeah, this is fine. Over here.
Watch out for the new painted walls. Aha! So the logo goes there.
So the logo goes there, yeah.
And you're sitting here?
Here facing this way. We'll do the stream and we'll have a camera there.
LED lights.
Oh yeah, LEDs. We decided we needed a big ass logo on the wall for our streaming setup, and obviously there's not very far from idea to action here at Asetek. So we went ahead and designed it in Adobe Illustrator, cut it on our 3 megawatt laser out here. This is the result, now it's being painted. Let's see if we can get this on the wall. Oh no. See, this is what happens when you don't think. How the brain cannot compute. My brain stopped working.
I'm back.
Is this the way it looks normally?
Yeah.
Is it? No.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go to the website. Are you 100% sure?
110.
So we painted the wrong side, is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Oh, I had one job and I failed it.
You're actually making the logo.
Well, what the hell?
It's some waiter skills.
You're gonna drop it, I can feel it.
I'm not. Oh yeah, there's lots of space.
It's gonna look pretty damn cool, I think. Not bad, not bad.
The small seat was kind of bad. There's tortillas right now.
Let's go get lunch.
Yeah.
Lift? Well, this is easy, right? Oh, watch out!
Anyone can do that. I'm stuck. Like that.
Okay, that's a start. Might put a monitor on the wall. Wanna get some more stuff?
Yeah.
Woohoo! Streaming PC goes in there. I'm not even in my final form yet. So I'm actually working on a snowblind mod for it. So this is back when we started making liquid cooling. I don't even remember what this was. By today's standards, special.
Am I weird if I actually like the design?
My TE cape. So whenever I'm tired of working, I just go and I'm gone. Another green screen. You just don't get that in PC cases anymore. Just don't. So, just hidden I/O. That's pretty bad. Forgotten. So this is it's my pet project at the moment. Working with G-Skill, particularly EVGA as well, to build and cable mod. They're delivering these awesome custom sleeved cables in our colors. We made a cooler for a very niche Intel product. Xeon 3175X, I believe it was called. So it's overclockable workstation CPU. And basically that's under here. Running this crazy expensive setup. Right now I'm working on a way to move the GPU from this side to the back chamber to have sort of a unique look there. We're gonna be running a crazy beast of a card from EVGA as well that features our own hybrid cooling. So it's the EVGA 2080 Ti Kingpin card, 240mm radiator, Asetek Gen 6 liquid cooling on it as well. That's going to be mounted vertically in the rear. Inwin decided to send us one of their early prototypes, so this is actually what we're working on, hopefully to be done within a few weeks. Lots of RGB and bling, and we're thinking we might even liquid cool the VRM in here as well. An AIO here, an AIO on the GPU, and then a standalone pump on the VRM. Stay tuned for more on that on our social media. Yeah, we're building a nerd cage, so we keep in the nerds because. So I'm gonna put Andreas in here later, and he'll be like, "Oh, let me out of here!"
Sådan lidt i omkring over.
We want to thank you guys for following us and give us a like here and there and everywhere on all our social media channels, and of course help us figure out what should we call this nerd cave, or could even nerd cave. Yeah, I think Nerdy McNerd Cave, that has a ring to it. So yeah, help us name the Cool Nation Stream Studio, and thank you for following.
Yeah, bye.